Good morning, friends. So I had published a video yesterday about alerting about big movement possibility in natural gas yesterday. I was expecting honestly the movement will be on the upside, but I also had warned that the movement will happen only above 180.7 and below 179.6. I would be short on this commodity. So here's the chart, yesterday's chart of what happened. So during entire morning time it traded in a very narrow range but clearly broke the support, and once the global market started opening the trend was very clear, and it was a one way down. If you're just on a trend line and held on to it, just would have still not been stopped out, right? So that's the power of candlestick analysis, and you are able to predict with reasonable accuracy upfront whether you're going to get a big move or a small move, whether when do you play big and when do you play small. This is the essence of trading, right? So when your odds are in your favor and you know that a big move is going to come, that's when you increase your quantity, and those are the trades which really make you an alpha trader, right? So when you're right, make sure that we make the money, right? When you are losing, lose as small as possible, while when you are winning, make sure the quantity is so big that it takes out all your previous losses before, and gives you a huge alpha. So learn candles, use my book, or get in touch with me on Twitter. I'll be happy to train you on this, and you will also be able to very easily predict when the big moment is not going to come or not going to come or going to come. तो कल नेचुरल गैस में हमने किया था, शॉर्ट किया था, और अभी भी ट्रेड ओपन है. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. पुल बैक तो होना ही है, पर देखते हैं क्या होता है आज. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग मी, एंड आई होप you enjoyed this trade. We'll come back with more videos like this. Bye bye.